GAIL India Limited was set up in 1984 as a central government owned public sector undertaking. The mandate was to transport, process, and market natural gas for its economic use. And we have the presence in entire gas value chain, and this gas pipeline that we are developing has touched every corner of the country, supplying fuel to the kitchens, vehicles, and industries. Then we brought the first LNG cargo to this country. We started the first CGD, city gas distribution network, in Mumbai and Delhi, and also we started the double LNG terminal. You see, GAIL's strength derives from its strong presence in the entire gas value chain. See, our vast network of natural gas pipelines, our LNG marketing capabilities, and the diversified portfolio of petrochemicals, integrated gas company in the world. We are aligning ourselves with the Government of India priorities and has adopted a two-pronged approach. This will include physical network expansion and downstream market development. This we have been able to achieve through customer focus and lead the country towards a gas-based economy. The COVID-19 pandemic is a very crucial time that has disrupted lives and businesses across the world. Organizations have faced multiple challenges ranging from health and well-being of employees, the disruptions in the supply chain, and also working capital shortages, etc. Some of the companies have even risked the closure of operations. The slowdown of economic activities have acted as a dampener to the current infrastructure building drive the Indian gas sector has actually embarked upon. As a leading energy provider, GAIL has worked round the clock to ensure continuous supply of natural gas and petrochemicals and LPG to all its customers across the country. Further, we have also done our complete capital expenditure significantly to help build the infrastructure projects on track along with the city gas distribution projects. We have further facilitated ease of movement for its vendors, suppliers to transport the material, equipment as well as labor and workers. As employees are forefront in this war against the pandemic, GAIL has taken an organization-wide vaccination drive for its employees and other stakeholders. GAIL was also in the forefront of the digitization process even before the pandemic, and adaptation of digital technologies have helped us to interact seamlessly with our stakeholders, helping in smooth operation and procurement and payments, etc. Country has gradually emerged as the center of global energy consumption as the shift from west to east has become a reality. India has become a major driver of forthcoming energy growth. As India is moving towards a cleaner energy mix, several attractive growth opportunities have emerged across the emerging energy value chain, particularly in the natural gas sector. GAIL's growth strategy in the next 3 to 5 years focuses on building a strong and sustainable business portfolio to unlock the long-term growth opportunities supported by an organization structure to handle the dynamic business environment. GAIL has actually started strategic initiatives across various business verticals under its growth strategy, and action plans have already been rolled out to achieve the desired objectives. We are committed towards making clean energy available to every Indian and retaining leadership position in the natural gas with the expansion of natural gas network. We are in the cusp of completing the national gas grid development of the downstream gas market, and also we are expanding our LNG portfolio to remain which remains the core strength of our company. We have also identified petrochemical as one important area where we want to grow, along with the renewable energy area. Apart from that, we also plan to enter the specialty chemicals manufacturing business. Besides, we are also looking forward to forging partnership and adopting new business models for entering new business and expanding existing ones. So our focus on emerging business such as LNG shipping, coal gasification, renewable energy, EV recharging, etc. are one of the major strategic shift. Energy sources such as hydrogen, bioenergy like ethanol and compressed biogas, etc. Also, GAIL is aiming to play a proactive role in shaping up the regulation and policy guidelines in existing and potential new business areas.